Probably should have been doing the Damit stuff for the last 6 years. I probably could have saved myself a lot of headaches. Now back to, this is application 2 on the Damit product. This is now 1st of April. Koi survived the winter and the ice and everything. Look at they coming, looking for a feeding. So I have to go get them some food. But beyond that, as you can see, I said the pond comes all the way back up and it looks great. Now, normally about this time, we'd have, might start seeing some dropping there, or the water level dropping. I'll go over to the other side. You can see on some of the rocks. We'll have to wait and see, but that's usually normal when it comes way up high and then drops down. We had some good rains, but I'll show you where it mostly leaches from. So I think the first application of the Damit product worked out pretty good. So we'll see. Won't really know until, you know, more late spring. See if the water levels really drop. But again, you can see on the surface here, barely, that I just did on the edge where mostly the berm is. You can see there's a berm here, and a berm over on the left. You know, that's not very big. We used to have a lot more brushes and trees, and you know, but we removed a lot of them, so I'm sure that the decaying trees and roots and stuff like that probably might have created some more drainage areas. But if you look over here, there is a film, and that is the Damit product. A little windy this morning. Looks like a lot of it blew this way. I might have to do another one, but it spreads out really well. I'm really impressed how wide it spreads. So hopefully it works out over here, because it looks like the winds blew it all mostly over this way, and that's fine because this is where a lot of the issue is too. So it's expanding. As you can see, it's right back up to the dock. You know, geese are here. Not supposed to harm them or try and chase them off, but as you saw, the koi are doing good. So now we're going over to the other side of the berm. Let me pause for a second. Okay, so pond's over there. There's a berm here, and normally this is saturated. You know, and we had rain the other day, so I'm attributing a lot of that to it. So we'll wait and see what happens with the Damit product. But all this used to be covered just a dense brush and trees, and just with horrible vines and everything else. We got a little bit of seepage here, you know, but we'll see what happens with the next Damit application. So again, this is number 2 in the spring. I think we're gonna have to do just another one tomorrow when the winds died down a little bit. I thought I caught it early enough this morning, but it didn't happen. So you'll see that most of the Damit product is pushed up against this side here, but that's where that's where a lot of the you can see over there to here where it was leaking. So this is where you see the film on the top. It'll start expanding, and we'll try again tomorrow. Put a little bit more when wind's not so but I kind of figured it would happen. So I said worst case scenario, the wind blows into the area that I need treated. So but again, looks like the Damit product's working pretty good. So again, when the spring comes around, late spring, I'll be able to give you a better, you know, diagnosis on if the product is good even under the worst conditions. Because again, I didn't clear anything, I didn't remove any gravel, I didn't remove any rocks. You know, I did remove some of the plant material, but again, you know, fish need some stuff to eat and some places to hide, so I can't get rid of all of it. So again, I'll let you know on the Damit product to see if it works in the spring. Stay tuned and like and subscribe. Quick note, talking about the already done applications with my koi in there with Damit. They're actually swimming underneath it, actually, so it doesn't seem to bother them at all. So if you want confirmation fish. I've already done an application already last year, and as you can see, the koi are doing amazing. They seem to have no effect with the Damit product. They're actually swimming through it. Last time I fenced them off, wondering if there would be a problem. And no problem. So, here you go for the Damit product, verification that it doesn't kill the fishies.